Guasha tip number 2. I'm teaching her one tip at a day so that she doesn't prematurely cause wrinkles on her skin. Today we're going to do for dark circles. So grab your eye cream. You can use one with vitamin C. I'm going to use one from Tata Harper. And then what you're going to do is just create like 5 dots around your eyes first. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to use this side of the guasha and then basically just start using it from the 5 points. So like inner corner, outer corner, this, just kind of in circular motions, okay? But you have to make sure you're wearing eye cream underneath it, like this. And then you can kind of glide it out with your guasha. Doesn't it feel nice? Like this.
Yeah.
But, and you can feel like some of the knuckles, like, do you feel anything?
Yeah.
It's like smoothing out that area. But if you don't have a guasha, you can also just use your finger, do a knuckle, and then do that. You can still feel it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So do that, and then you can just spread it out like this.